Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for people on Facebook using only their location. A lot of people don't know this trick, but it's actually very simple. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Once you're inside, tap on the search bar at the top. Type the name of the person you're looking for. Facebook will bring up many profiles with that name. Now, to narrow it down by location, click on People. Once you're in the People tab, scroll down and select Places. Here, you can see the different locations where people with that name live, study, or work. For example, if someone lives in Lagos or is studying at a particular university, Facebook will show you that information so you can identify the right person. Another method is by updating your own location settings. If you set your current city to, say, Abuja, Facebook will show you people connected to that city. To do this, click on your profile picture, then tap the three-line menu, go to Edit Profile, and update your current city and hometown. This way, you'll mostly see people from the city you've selected, making it much easier to find who you're looking for. And that's it. It's a very simple trick to find people on Facebook using only their location. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips like this.